Solve the simultaneous equations y equals 3 minus 2x and x squared plus y squared is equal to 18. So because I'm told that 3 minus 2x is equal to y here, I could substitute 3 minus 2x instead of the y in the second equation. So that would leave me with x squared plus 3 minus 2x squared is equal to 18. Right, now we're going to expand the brackets. So I'd have x squared plus 3 squared, 3 times 3, which would be 9. Then I would have the 3 times the minus 2x, which would be minus 6x, but I'd have 2 of them, so minus 12x. And then I would also have the minus 2x squared, which would be 4x squared. And I know that's going to equal 18. Right, let's collect up like terms. We've got an x squared and a 4x squared. So that's 5x squared. I've got the minus 12x here. And I'm also, whilst I'm at it, I'm going to subtract 18 from both sides. So this equals 0. The 9 take away the 18 would be minus 9. I can now factorise this. I know it's going to have a 5x and an x to give me a 5x squared. And I think it's going to be a 3 and a 3 to give the 9. And I think that that's going to have to be a minus 3 and that's going to have to be a plus 3. And let me just check that. The 5x times the x gives 5x squared. That's good. The 3 times the minus 3 gives the minus 9. That's good. And then, crucially, the 5x times the minus 3 is minus 15x. And the 3 times the x is 3x. And when I put those together, I do get minus 12x. So I know I factorised that correctly. Which means that I can now read off my solutions. So x will equal either minus 3 over 5 or minus 0.6 if you prefer to work with decimals. Or x is equal to 3. Now I need to work out the y coordinates as well for each of these points. To do that, I can substitute these x coordinates into either of the original equations. I'm going to substitute them into this one because it's easier. There's no squareds to deal with. So when x is minus 0.6, I'll have y is equal to 3 minus 2 times minus 0.6. The minus 2 times the minus 0.6 is plus 1.2. And the 3 plus 1.2 is going to be 4.2. And similarly, when x is 3, y is going to equal 3 minus 2 times 3. The 2 times 3 is 6. So we get 3 minus 6, which is minus 3. So we have our two solutions. When x is minus 0.6, y is 4.2. when x is 3, y is minus 3.